What would be some of the challenges or things to look out for if you're a VA working online?
Yeah, so for struggles, at first, mostly I have students that really don't have experience in online jobs and also corporate jobs or admin tasks. So I'm telling them, it's also like a mindset, don't think that you cannot do that. Being a social media, if you know how to post in Facebook, you have that experience already.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Lynn Padetti here, helping you to achieve time freedom, more time for self, family, business, and life. Now in this video, you're going to hear from Divine Corcio, who used to be a midwife, who then turned into a VA, and now offering training to VAs and helping mums out there to start a business from home as a virtual assistant. Now, Divine is also a student at Productized Kit, learning from me how I've grown my business, so she too wants to grow a VA company. So if you are interested in that, check out in the description below. But in this video, you're going to learn from her own story on how you can become a VA with no experience at all. Because Divine started off as a midwife and taught herself to become a VA, and now have successfully integrated into a work from home business. Now you're going to learn 10 or more tips on how to succeed as a VA, even if you're a beginner.
Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest named Divine Corcio, and she is the owner of Digital Consultancy and Services. Now she's also an amazing student at Productized Kit, which is a coaching program that I run. And I'm really excited to have her here because I usually work with Filipinos that are in the Philippines. And this is a Filipino that is in America, and she's turning her freelance job into now a business. And so I really want to pick her brain and learn more about how she's able to juggle motherhood, starting a business from home, and even helping people in her country to have a freedom lifestyle with work from home. So welcome.
Hello, everyone. Thank you for inviting me, Lynn, here in your interview.
Yes. So Divine, tell me more about your journey. Like, when did you come on board to work from home? What was that turning point, and how has your journey been?
Actually, 2012, I'm in the Philippines before, So I am a midwife, in the Philippines before. So I really don't have experience in office jobs, on anything about computer. What I'm using is my hands, to help mothers and babies, So, but something happened. I met my husband on online website. So it's a dating site. And then he go to the Philippines. We get married there in the Philippines, and he petitioned me here in California. So 2016, I came here. So when I came here, I'm already pregnant. So that's why I don't have any chance to work here from that time. Of course, as a Filipino, we always think about how we can help my family in the Philippines, Yeah. So I started to look something, how can I earn from home? So that's why I discovered eBay. So I started to sell online, like items that we don't use here, like my husband, he have like a Xbox videos here. I sell those things on eBay, and then, and I get sales, and I become more excited. So what I'm doing, I go in the garage sale, and clearance retail stores, and buy things and then sell online. That's how I started to be in e-commerce that time. But because online selling, if you don't have sales, you don't have money, So that's why I started to check also what other things that I can do online. So that's why I learned what is virtual assistant. So I enrolled one of the academy in the Philippines, that right now I'm also a coach now there. I learned a lot. I learned about social media, ClickFunnels, website design. So I started like that, and I continues, doing work online at home, in the Upwork online job page also. And then because they started to know that I'm here in California, it become more faster to me to get clients. So that's why I decided to launch or to have my own business consultancy also, which is the Digital Consultancy and Services. And then I outsource people also from the Philippines.
Yeah, that's amazing. And you also coach VAs to learn how to provide services to clients. Is that right? Can you tell me more?
Yeah, so actually, this is like last 2020 because of the pandemic. So I'm still in online selling, and I saw the demand personally in my business. I getting a lot of orders, so I started to look for VAs that can help me to fulfill all my orders, to do customer service. So that's why I created a course about eBay dropshipping, virtual assistant, also Amazon dropshipping, online arbitrage, and about how to become an e-commerce virtual assistant.
Wow. And so you needed more support in your own business, that you started training, you created a training to create more people that know what you do. And I also heard that now clients are also coming to you wanting the kind of VAs that you can offer, right?
Yes. Yeah, because I'm as online seller also. So I know the needs of being a seller. Because I'm also a virtual assistant before, I also offering e-commerce tasks or VA services to my clients. So I see the needs and the importance of each sides. So that's why I decided to create a course for them, for virtual assistant. And then yeah, because of also my YouTube channel, so people now are recognizing me, and then they are going to me asking for virtual assistant. So that's why it's good also because I'm producing a virtual assistant, and the same thing, I have clients, so it's like I'm putting them together, to make it.
Yeah, I love that you're always looking for solutions and opportunities to grow yourself, but to also help the marketplace, right? So if you were to give advice to someone that are thinking about being a VA, right? I mean, VA, whether they're Filipino or they're even Australia, they're thinking, how do I become a VA? I guess what are some of the lessons that you learnt that you wish you knew before?
Yeah, for me, this is what I'm always telling to my students. Even you are new, and you don't have any experience about e-commerce or anything, there's no problem. As long as you are eager to learn, you are willing to learn, you are open-minded, and you want to learn things, it's gonna be easy, because everything you can learn that, it's not like you will know that immediately, like me, I'm a midwife, and then suddenly I
Yes.
become a online seller, a businesswoman like this. So if you are willing, and this is commerce is one of the, booming right now in our situation right now. That's why I'm always telling them that, adapt to changes, and also whatever, the trending right now, being there in social media, in e-commerce, and then learn something, and then try it. If you think that you are not sure with this, try it first before to say no. And then later on, you will tell to yourself that, okay, I think I can do this. And then you can decide now if you want to pursue it or no.
Yeah, everyone starts from the beginning. Sometimes we look at someone that is already established and seem confident. We think, oh, we can't do that because they already got that. But everyone starts from nothing. Like I actually didn't know anything about outsourcing or working online as well. It was so brand new to me. And then now, 10 years later, of course, I know more than others on that topic. But like you said, it was all just learning and trying it out and practicing that took you to where you are right now, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah. So in terms of your clients as well, what are they looking for from your VA? Yeah, I'd love to hear some of the solutions you help your clients with.
Yeah, actually, for my clients, because it's very different, because e-commerce, we are depends to the product. So for example, if the product, it will not sell, of course, that will be zero income. So that's what we are, providing in our company. So we are making sure that we will provide like the products that will sell, the profit, that how can we give you profit monthly with those winning products that we're going to list in their stores.
Oh, that's amazing. I love, yeah, I think check your other videos. You've got a lot of video educational on your YouTube, which is really helpful. Yeah, so I guess what would be some of the benefits for someone, knowing what you know now about working at home as a VA, yeah, what are the benefits that you get to enjoy so that we can inspire people to take action?
That's the good thing in working online. So like me, I have two toddlers, and it's so a lot of work, and also like being a mom, we have kids now are studying online, so that's why you need to be there, especially if they are like TK or kindergarten. There are a lot of helps that they need. And also my husband and also me, we have our church, we have other things, that we need to do. And me, I have my consultancy business and coaching, and also my online business store. So working from home is very good as long as you know how to manage your time. So like me, I can tell to my clients and to my students that I will only work from this specific Monday to Friday, Saturday and Sunday I will not talk to you, something like that.
Yeah,
So
setting your
you
own
can
boundaries.
decide.
Yeah, setting
You
your
can
boundaries.
you can decide what time you will work, what days you're going to work. And yeah, and sometimes also I can choose also who's the client I want to work with.
Yeah, exactly. I love that flexibility and freedom that you get, and you save so much time. So I think with VAs as well, they probably also worry like, how do I even find clients, right? What would you say to that?
How to find clients? Actually, there's a lot of ways now. So like in freelancing platform like Upwork or Online Job PH, and also in the Facebook groups. Actually, there's a lot of groups that they are just posting job opportunities there, as long as you know how to communicate to them, because of course there's always been the trust. Of course, they don't know you. Unlike if they will go to Upwork and Online Job PH, they know that they're already established there. And, those platforms have systems that they need to verify that you are a good virtual assistant. So it's different when you are going to apply or get clients in directly, to those Facebook groups.
Yeah, that's right. And just build your portfolio slowly, right? If you're brand new to be as a VA, don't expect to like get the best income like everyone else, or expect to make it to come easy. But once you start to build your reputation with clients, then I'm sure it starts to get easy. And I guess that even at our company, we help VAs get jobs, so it just saves you a lot of time as well. But I guess what would be some of the challenges or things to look out for if you're a VA working online?
Yeah, so for struggles, at first, like me, mostly I have students that really don't have experience in online jobs and also corporate jobs or admin tasks. So I'm telling them it's also like a mindset, don't think that you cannot do that. And being a social media, if you know how to post in Facebook, you have that experience already. You have that knowledge already. You just need to have like more in-depth knowledge about the social media, because we have like strategies, how to get traffic, to get the attention of the viewers. So those are the things that, struggles that they don't have, like they don't believe in themselves, that they can do it. Yeah, and also the struggles also. I met also people from overseas, because I have also students from Saudi, Kuwait. They want to learn to be a virtual assistant, because they don't want to work anymore there. They want to go back to the Philippines and focus on freelancing. So the struggles there, is they have work, so they don't have time right now, and to do the online job. So but I told them, there are clients also that they will understand what you have right now or situation. So there are other job that you can do flexible time or by project, like creating funnels. Sometimes it's only like 2-3 days you're done. So those are the things that a virtual assistant experiencing struggles in.
Yeah. So what I take away from you is that anyone can be a VA and start to have a business or working from home. You're a nurse and you started, and it really takes just confidence in your ability, knowing that what you've got is enough to get started, and then learning and continue to put in the hard work and just be patient at developing yourself, right? Yeah. And at the end of the day, you will get to have a lifestyle where you can be with your kids, you can have a freedom in your career. And yeah, I think that's amazing. Well, how can people connect with you or learn more from you if they wanted to be a VA, for example, or if they want to hire you to help them find VAs that can help with their e-commerce?
you can visit my website, digitalconsultancyandservices.com. So where I have there like a page about, virtual assistant, and also page for online sellers. So, and also you can email me at divinecorcio@gmail.com. So yeah, I'm very happy to help, online sellers, because I know your struggles because I experienced that, not getting sales or how to handle customer service, how to find winning products. So those what we are providing to help online sellers. And for virtual assistant, wherever you are, we are also happy, and excited to be part of your freelancing career. So if you want to learn more about virtual assistant, you can email me at divine@filipinovirtualassistants.com.
That is amazing. I have a last question for you. So, what keeps you so motivated? Like, what is your purpose in life? What's your mission in life?
Actually, my mission in life is to help people, especially my Filipino people, because I experience, how to earn like 5,000 pesos a month, and how I help myself to finish my college by selling, also, but not online, to my classmates and my teachers. So I know those hardships in the Philippines. So that's why my goal is to help Filipino people, or even the other people that wants to start online selling or to work from home, because I've been there before. So I know the struggles and those hardships, so that's why I'm here to help you, to guide you, and to see also that you have purpose. You can do better, you can do something. And also because I really value, family also. So that's why I know that family is more important. So that job, that business will be there as long as you know how to handle and manage your time.
Yeah, I love it. And I believe in your mission and purpose as well, because it's also mine. I think, we have been fortunate enough to move away from our developing country to a lucky country. So it's like, how do we help those that in our shoes before? So thank you so much, Divine, for being here. I really appreciate your time.
Thank you.
Now, I hope you found some inspiration from Divine's story and see that it's really possible. If she can do it, you can do it too. Now, of course, if you'd like to learn more about how to start a business, there's more videos here for you. But of course, you're always welcome to check out my Productize Kit program, and I'll hopefully see you in there.